Okay, that's the Sony A6000, and let's see how to take long exposure photos. To do that, let's set the dial to manual, that is M. Okay, and then use the wheel to rotate it and take a look at here. So that's 1 second divided by 100. Okay, and if I move it to the left, then I'm increasing that time. That is currently 8 seconds. That's a very long exposure. It goes to 30 seconds, and then it goes to bulb mode. In bulb mode, the shutter is opened only till you press the button. When you release it, the picture is finalized. And since the time was very long, the picture is very bright. Okay, let's just delete that one. So that's a long exposure, or let's use a more decent value. Let's say only 2 seconds. Currently set to 2. Okay, press the shutter. Okay, and in 2 seconds the picture was taken. Okay, if you set it to much shorter period, quicker exposure, 1 second divided by 200, then it's much faster. Once again, to the left, the long exposure, let's say 5 seconds. It has to take focus and then it creates the picture, and those were the 5 seconds.